Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free lead system review video, I'd like to share with you a 100% done for you free lead system and how you can get started today in 3 simple steps. And first of all, I'm just going to explain what this entails. I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you some proof of how this works. So this is a 100% done for you system. The beauty of it is there's no autoresponder needed because within the free lead system, there is an autoresponder built into it already. And you can earn up to 3 income streams, excuse me, with the free lead system. So I'm going to show you some proof of income. I'm going to show you step by step how that works and how simple it is. You have got an option to earn unlimited $6 commissions. So that's not compulsory. You can be successful with free lead system if you don't use that feature. And there's a Facebook group if you want help and training. There's 44,000 members in the Facebook group. So you're going to get all the help, support and training that you need. And there will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and our team. And we've all got an equal opportunity to join Free Lead System as a member and promote it as an affiliate. So the first thing that you get is a lead capture page. This is done for you. You don't have to create this yourself. It's just promoting one link, and I will take you inside the members area and show you where to get that link. And I'm just going to show you now how this system works. So you get your lead capture page, and the lead capture page is this one here. It's done for you, and all you've got to do is over here, I promote with free traffic. So I'll give you my 5 best free traffic sources at the end of this video if you want to use free traffic, which I recommend that you do. And then what happens is on that lead capture page, your prospects, when you promote it, your prospects put their email address into here. So then you're going to start to generate leads. Now this is where the magic happens. This is where the system takes over on autopilot. So it's completely autopilot from here on in once you get set up. And there's an AR is for autoresponder. There's an autoresponder that is free. So you don't have to pay any monthly membership costs. Free lead system will send out emails for you completely free. Now what happens is within those emails that the free lead system sends out every single day, you're going to put an offer, a lead capture page into the system, and it's going to promote your offer on autopilot. So you could be at work, you could be asleep, you could be out with your family and friends, enjoying yourself, could be at the gym, and that's on autopilot done for you. So if somebody buys your offer that the system promotes for you with your affiliate link in, that's your first income stream. You can earn commissions there on autopilot. Income stream number 1. Now there is an option to upgrade. The upgrade option is a one-time $7. I'll show you some proof of how well that converts. So one-time $7, so no monthly membership costs. And then you will earn unlimited $6 commissions, like I said to you at the beginning of the video. $6 commissions. So that will be income stream number 2. Because if you do upgrade, the system is very clever, and the system will promote, it's called Lead Lightning, the upgrade's called Lead Lightning. The system will promote Lead Lightning in these emails here for you. puts your link into there. So every other day it'll promote Lead Lightning, and every other day it'll promote Free Lead System to generate your leads. You still get leads from Lead Lightning. So that's income stream number 2. Now what happens is, because you've got a lead capture page within these emails here, you're taking your prospects from the Free Lead System over here onto your own list. So you can also build your own list, not just the Free Lead System. You can build your own list, and you can build your own list bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you can promote other offers to your own list, and you can make even more money. So that's income stream number 3, where you've got your own list and you're going to promote your own offers, and that's even more money. So that's 3 income streams. So it's very, very clever. It's very simple. It's very unique. It's very clever. And all you've got to do is drive traffic to your lead capture page. That's it. Now, this lead capture page here within the emails, I'll just show you now. I'll just set that up and I'll show you some proof of commissions. So what you do is you go into your free lead system. The link in the description is where you join, and you go into your free lead system. Watch the video, then it explains how it works. You also get pass-up leads. I forgot to mention that. You also get pass-up leads as well. So what happens is you're going to put your lead capture page into this window here where it says enter your company website. So what you do is you just put a lead capture page into there, and you click update, and then it will promote your lead capture page for you. And then I recommend a low ticket offer. Don't put a high ticket offer in there because you're giving away free leads. So just promote a low ticket offer, and then the system will just take over and do the work for you. Click update, and that's all you got to do. It's very, very simple. Just watch the video, enter your website, and promote your link. 3 simple steps, very, very simple. Now let me show you some proof of the commissions. So if you want to, let me show you that you can actually generate leads from the system. So if you stay a free member, your leads will go into your free lead system. If you upgrade like I've done to Lead Lightning, then your leads will go into your Lead Lightning system. So I'm going to click on leads. I'm going to go into Contact Manager and just show you that you can generate leads with this system. So far, if you look on here, give me a little pencil out and show you. So far, it's showing 1 to 15 leads of 270. So I've generated 270 leads promoting this system with free traffic. Now what you'll see here is these are current leads. So these ones here with the 3 next to them, they were from last month. And so far we're also generating leads in the 4th month, which is April. So all the leads, they're all current leads. They're all up to date. They're all real people. They're not bots. So you can generate free leads there. Now I'll show you some proof of commissions. So I'm going to go into account. Let's just get my pointer here. So we'll go into account, and you can build a buyers list if you upgrade to Lead Lightning. No monthly membership costs. We'll go into buyers list. And then what you'll see on here is $228 in commissions. So this is unlimited. You can earn as many of these $6 commissions as you want to do. Now the great thing about this is you only need 2 of these. You get 2 $6 commissions, you're then in profit. And everything else after that is going to be profit because there's no monthly membership costs. So it's all going to be a plus in dollars. One-time $7 payment, and then unlimited $6 commissions, no monthly membership costs. And Lead Lightning also has the done-for-you autoresponder as well that promotes. So you can also earn 3 income streams with Lead Lightning as well. So a very unique system, very, very clever. These are my best 5 free traffic sources that I'm going to recommend to you. I use these every single day. I'll pin these. I'll put these 5 traffic sources in the description. I'll put a link to my blog post here with these 5 on in the description if you want to use those. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new uploads every single week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content in this video, please put your questions in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And my email address will be in the description. So if you want to contact me, if you'd like any help with your affiliate marketing, if you want some help from me, I do mentor students one-to-one. Just use that email address to contact me directly, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So I recommend to get your free lead system. So just click the link in the description, and it will take you to this page here. Opt in here, set up your free account, and then come inside and have a look. It's totally free. Set an account up, come and have a look here, watch the video, and then decide as to whether free lead system is something that's going to help you build your affiliate marketing income. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.